Today, we're going to do exercises to lift the cheeks and sculpt them. Tilt your head back and place your fingers under your chin, then open and close your mouth. Do this for 40 seconds. Stay in neutral position, then place your fist under your chin, open and close your mouth for 40 seconds. Place your index finger under your nose and lift your nose upwards. Open and close your mouth in that position. Do this for 40 seconds. Blow air into one side of your cheek without opening your mouth. Keep it for a while, then switch to the other side. Keep doing this for 40 seconds. Place your index fingers on the sides of your nose. Pull your cheeks up slightly. Then lift your tongue and try to touch your upper lip. Keep doing this for 40 seconds. Place your little fingers like this on the sides of your nose, then stretch the skin upwards and keep your lips on each other. Hold this position for 40 seconds. This was it for today's routine, and here you can see the lift and sculpt in my cheeks right now and before I start this massage. See you in next video.